Launching a pre-recorded workshop successfully is not about recording a video, dropping a link, and hoping people watch it. That is not a launch. That is uploading content. A good pre-recorded workshop launch needs a simple path. Create desire before the workshop. Get the right people to raise their hands. Make the workshop feel worth watching. Follow up after the watch and lead them clearly to the next step. Most people mess this up because they treat a pre-recorded workshop like a passive asset. They think, I made the workshop, now people need to watch it. They won't. Not unless the topic is clear, the promise is strong, and the follow-up actually moves people. That is how to launch a pre-recorded workshop the right way. So step number one, you need to pick a specific workshop promise. Do not make the workshop too broad, like how to grow your business online. That is a bad promise. A good promise is how to turn your Facebook group into a simple sales system, or how to create content that leads people into your skill community, or how to build a group-based business without daily sales calls. The workshop should solve one clear problem. The more specific the promise, the easier it is to promote. Step number two is to create content before you send the workshop. You don't just want to wake up and say, hey, I've got a workshop. You want to warm people up first. Your pre-launch should hit these 5 things: the promise, the problem that they are feeling, the mistake that they are making, the belief that is keeping them stuck, the result that they want, and the reason your workshop matters now. For example, if your group is quiet, the problem is probably not the group, it's the lack of a system. Or most people do not need more content. They need a content path that turns attention into conversations. These posts create demand for the workshop before you invite people to watch it. Step number 3 is to give people a simple way to opt in. Do not make the next step complicated. Use a simple call to action. Comment workshop and I'll send it over. DM me workshop and I'll send you the link. Want the workshop? Comment group and I'll send it to you. The goal is to start conversations, not to collect links. If someone raises their hands, follow up like a human. Step number 4 is to send the workshop with context. Do not just send them the link. Frame it. Say something like this. Here you go, James. This breaks down the simple group-based system I use to turn content into community, conversations, and buyers. Watch it when you can, and after you do, send me a message with which part of it you're building right now. That gives them a reason to watch and a reason to reply. So step number 5, you want to make the workshop easy to finish. A pre-recorded workshop should not feel like homework. Keep it focused. A simple structure. What problem are they stuck in? A pre-recorded workshop should not feel like homework. Keep it focused. A simple structure like this. What problem are they stuck in? Why the common approach is not working? The framework or the system that they need? Share with them a few examples. And the next step, if they want help implementing it. Do not overload it with 47 strategies. The job of the workshop is not to teach everything. The job is to create clarity, belief, and desire for the next step. Step number 6 is to follow up based on their behavior. The follow-up is where most of the sales are made. If they ask for the workshop but did not reply, hey, did you get a chance to check out the workshop yet? If they watched it, what part of the workshop felt most relevant to where you are right now? If they come back to you and say that they're stuck, acknowledge them. Say, that makes sense. Most people get stuck there because they're trying to create content without a system. Do you want me to show you how we help with that inside of the community? If they're interested, acknowledge them and say, cool. The next step would be joining the one group operating system. It helps you implement this without guessing what to post or how to move people towards your offer. Do you want me to send you over the details? It's simple, no pressure, and just the clear next step that they need to take. And that leads me on to step 7. Promote it for more than one day. A pre-recorded workshop can be launched like a mini campaign. Do not post once and disappear. Run a simple 5 to 7 day push. An example would be day number 1, write a post about the problem. Day number 2, a belief shifting post. Day number 3, a story post. Day number 4, an invitation to join the workshop. Day number 5, behind the scenes, teach them a lesson about what they're going to learn from that workshop. Day number 6 is to answer some common questions or bust an objection that people have about that workshop. And day number 7, a final recall and a recap and invite them again to the workshop. This keeps the workshop visible without sounding desperate. And step number 8, connect the workshop to your offer. Your workshop should naturally lead people to your offer. It's not a hard sales pitch. It's the logical bridge. For example, in the workshop, I show you the system. Inside the one group operating system, we help you actually build it out. That is the cleanest transition. Free workshop, understand the path, pay community, implement the path with support. So the simple answer is this. To successfully launch a pre-recorded workshop, you need a clear promise, you need warm-up content, you need a simple call to action, you need to follow up, and you need a bridge to your offer. Don't just post the link once. Create demand for your workshop. Start conversations, frame the workshop. Follow up after that, watch your workshop, and then invite the right people to the next step. That's exactly why I'm a part of the One Group operating system. We help coaches, course creators, affiliates, local business owners, and beginners build a simple system around content, community, conversations, and conversions. So your workshop doesn't just get views, it creates buyers. If you want help launching a pre-recorded workshop that leads people to your offer, comment group down below and I'll send you the details.